In this lesson, we are going to learn about functions in Microsoft Excel. Functions are one of the most powerful features in Excel because they allow us to perform calculations quickly and automatically. Instead of calculating things manually, Excel can do the work for us in seconds. So, what is a function? A function in Excel is a predefined formula that performs a specific calculation. In simple terms, a function is a built-in command that tells Excel to perform a task. For example, instead of adding so many numbers manually, you can use a function that tells Excel to add everything for you automatically. Functions always start with an equal sign. In Excel, every function begins with the equal sign. And the equal sign tells Excel that you're about to perform a calculation or a function. For example, if I type sum A through A5, Excel understands that I want it to add the numbers from cell A1 to A5. Now, most Excel functions follow a simple structure. First, you type the equal sign, then you type the name of the function, third, you add parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you tell Excel which cell you want the function to work on. So the structure usually looks like this. Now, the structure is equal sign, function name, parentheses, cell range. And if you don't know what a cell range is a collection of cells that are generally grouped together. Now, let's explore these functions. The first function is the sum function, one of the most commonly used functions in Excel. The sum function is used to add numbers together. For example, if you have numbers in cells A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5, you can type sum equals to sum A1 through A5, and Excel will automatically add those numbers for you and give you the total. The next is the average function. It's another useful function in Excel. The average function calculates the average value of a group of numbers. For example, if you want to add the average of numbers in cell A1 through A5, you can type equals to average A1 through A5, and Excel would add numbers and divide them by the total number of values to give you the average. The next function is the count function. Now, the count function is used to count the number of cells that contain numbers. For example, if you have numbers in a cell and there are like so many and you want to know how many there are, you can just use the count function. Then we have the max and min, and this is basically short for maximum and minimum. Excel has these functions are used to help find values quickly. The max function finds the largest number, while the min function, which is minimum, finds the smaller number. Now, why are functions important? Functions are important because they help you save time, reduce mistakes, and analyze data faster. Instead of doing calculations manually, Excel can handle everything for you. Now, we're going to go into our worksheet and we're going to perform some functions.